Hi, good morning. So someone commented, can you be my someone? I think I'm busy cleaning here, guys. I'm busy. What's this boy cook? what, what happened? I'm busy mopping here. Don't talk to me. I'm gonna clean the house so that it's gonna be tidy and clean and very clear on your mind. Where's the map burikok? I have arthritis dancing. Here. We don't have map. We can afford to buy map. What someone you mean, burikok? You gonna add to burikok sugar mommy?
Last time you said you're rich but now you can afford to buy map.
Because the rich can afford mop, they can afford vacuum. Sure. Vacuum cleaner. So we can afford mop. You know what? We can afford. Oops! Nakita akong tuhod dito. Palimpyo na. Palimpyo ni Brito ko. Maan lang ko ni Way tatang ko palimpyo ni. Yung pang lampaso ko pati bubog. Oh, here's burikok sugar mommy. Nakalive pa. Because someone asking if he can be someone of burikok.
Ano to mo, Nay?
Yeah.
So, I don't know what you mean, guys. So that's all for today. We're gonna busy cleaning, general cleaning, all day, all night.
Burikok.
Alright. Break up busy playing. Bye.